Hey, Gary here with you. Taking a look at free magnet bot. I want to walk you through a couple examples, one of niching down and the other one of using PLR with the free magnet bot. Also, how this works with my bonus, the quick start guide to creating the monetization bridge, or what to do after the free download so you can build trust, make smart offers, and start monetizing your list. Because the idea here is the big idea with free magnet bot, the bot has been trained on utilizing the positioning of, hey, look, I have a free resource for you. The bonus, the monetization bridge, moves you or creates a simple path from free to result, or AKA a quick win, to you generating revenue either through a product that you're promoting as an affiliate or your own product. And I'm going to show you that inside of, again, the free magnet bot. This is the free magnet bot. This is the bot trained by Kevin Fahey on using the word free to build a list building machine. So I'm inside the free magnet bot. It's saying, okay, how can I help you today? So I just wanted to step back a second and show you that inside of the free magnet bot, it's trained and its sole focus is to generate this list building machine for you. So I said, please explain to me what you do and how you can help me make money online. The free magnet bot AI bot came back and said, I help you build a high converting list building machine in minutes. The most proven way to make money online is by building an email list. 100%, right? That's what we do with my proven top strategy and inside of affiliating. So once you have a list of subscribers invested in a specific topic, you can promote affiliate products, your own services, or software to them over and over again. Here's how I help you do that. And this is what free magnet bot AI is building. It's building the lead magnet, the squeeze page, the download page, and the promotion pack. It's going to give you email swipes and social media posts to generate traffic, or once you get the lead, to send them back to your free download. So the social media posts are traffic. The email swipes are the follow-up sequence. So we can have your entire funnel ready in 2 quick steps. So I want to bring this into a quick understanding and go back, and I'll wipe off the board here because I was explaining this earlier in the video. Affiliating, build a profitable online business, is 9 steps. It is built on 3 pillars: generating traffic to an offer and adding people to an email list. This is what we're essentially doing here inside of free magnet bot AI. Step 1, choose a niche. What niche or audience are you targeting for this free funnel? Then at a high level, I just said how to make money online using AI. So when we look at that, it's the same thing that I always talk about. We have to pick a topic and we want to get very clear on what the problem is. Not the niche, but the actual problem, a real problem, and for who. And I'm going to show you how I did that with free magnet bot, right? So then the tools, the tech, and the time, here we're talking about using AI, but we're also going to be able to use PLR and spend time with free magnet bot plus my bonus, which is the quick start guide that includes a checklist, an actual real interactive checklist. But I've also turned the quick start guide and the checklist into a GPT. And I've also given you PLR rights to the GPT companion, the free magnet bot AI GPT companion, as well as the checklist, the real live interactive checklist right here. Step 1, step 2, where you can check off each step, as you move from step to step. And then the quick start guide following the concept of the monetization bridge from free to results to revenue. So you have access to all that. So we're back here, right? We're in here and we're looking at picking a niche. And I said, how to make money online using AI. Excellent choice, Gary. The make money online with AI niche is currently the highest converting market for lead generation. Here are 5 reports tailored to that specific idea. So we come down here, it's going to give me all that. And here it's going to ask me if I want to generate the report or build a squeeze page. I'm going to adjust the niche, or I'm going to do what I talk about inside of the 9-step roadmap is I'm going to get real clear on a topic, and it's going to be a specific topic for a specific group of people, a specific problem. So I say, let's adjust the target to professionals with skills, or to professional with skills that have built their 20+ year career and now they are looking to use AI to make money online. So the free magnet bot AI is going to realize what you've done here and congratulate you on a powerful pivot. Targeting the 20+ year veteran demographic, because now you're changing the age group. You're targeting people that have been in the workforce, working and building a career based on building a business for someone else. And now, because they have money, it's highly lucrative because these individuals have high value intellectual property and capital to invest. They spent time working. They have a little bit of money to spend to move from the career where they were building someone else's business to doing their own thing. So now it's going to adjust that. It's going to give you 5 different reports, and then you're just going to pick the squeeze page style that you want. And here you can say, and here you can see that I went with report number 1 and I went with the note style. Looks like a simple digital notepad, creates a raw insider feel. And here you can see I picked the notepad, then I went ahead and picked the high converting number 1, the high converting headline, or what I think will be the high converting headline, free report, how to leverage your 20-year career into a 10K a month AI powered consulting practice. Then it goes through and it asks, okay, here's the lead magnet report. Now here's your squeeze page. And then here you just go ahead and copy that. And if you don't want to upload it to hosting or do one of the free options I showed you earlier on the YouTube video, I'll link to that as well. So you can see that. I'll put it below this video so you can watch that one if you haven't watched. What you can do is you can just go to html.online.viewer.net. I'll bring this down so you can see it. It's html.online.viewer.net. And there's lots of other ones, but this one's simple and it doesn't have a whole lot of crazy advertisements on it. And you just paste in the code, then you can see the type of squeeze page that Free Magnet Bot AI has built for you. And it has a little pop-up form that you will connect to your email autoresponder. So Free Magnet Bot at that point, right, has allowed us to adjust our niche, starting off very broad after it explained, because you can always ask it, hey, what are you doing here? What's this step? What are you doing for me, right? How are you going to help me? I'm going to create a lead magnet for you. I'm going to create the squeeze page for you. I'm going to create the download page. Then I'm going to create a promotion pack. So you can adjust that here and always, ask the AI for an explanation, because it is an AI bot. And it's not an AI bot that just lets you do one thing. It does have a little bit of wiggle room for you to ask it questions and to learn the process and understand. And of course, that's why I created the Quick Start Guide and created the beginner monetization bridge, this framework, this idea, this concept of what to do after the free download so you can build trust, make smart offers, and start monetizing your list. Again, the idea here is, inside of the Quick Start Action Guide, using the beginner monetization bridge, with the big idea here is free gets attention, but the simple path that moves subscribers from free to results to revenue is for you to get them a quick win. So that's what I want to show you next. Is I want to go to a PDF here that have about human grants, how to stop sounding robotic, connect, and use AI to craft proposals that actually get funded. This is PLR that I have. You can see the table of contents here with all the great information about writing grants and who we're actually trying to target. So I want to give this to the Free Magnet Bot AI. So understand again that you can speak to Free Magnet Bot by clicking this little microphone button. You can also click here and you can upload. So I uploaded the PDF, and I just said use the attached PDF, because Free Magnet Bot AI is a sandbox for understanding that what you're trying to do is build a list building machine with the elements that are required. The squeeze page, the download page, right? The report. It's trying to do this for you and make it as easy as possible. So, hello, Gary. I've analyzed the human grants report you provided. I'm ready to build a high converting funnel to help you build your list in the grant writing and nonprofit niche. To get started, we need to make a few quick decisions. Decision 1, choose a niche. Which niche or audience are you trying to target for this free funnel? So this is going to give you 5 different options here. You just need to pick the one that you want to pick. Also, we have some squeeze page options here. And I just went ahead and said report number 5 and the topography focus, the topography focus. Great choice, Gary. We are moving forward with report number 5, the free grant detectives checklist and a topography focus design, clean, minimalist, high impact text. Now for the final decision, choose the headline squeeze page. I went with number 5, want more funding, because that's what they want, right? They want to get funded. They want more funding for whatever project they're working on. That's why they're writing the grant proposal. Get the free grant detectives checklist to identify your perfect grant matches fast. So then here is your complete high converting grant detective funnel, the lead magnet report, and then the squeeze page with the typography focus. Again, I'm going to go to html.onlineviewer.net. Here is want more funding, get the free grant detectives checklist to identify your perfect grant matches fast. Download the 70-30 rule of high impact grant research. Get my free checklist now. Same, you can see it works here. It's going to redirect them. Your free download is ready. You've taken the first step towards mastering the art of human grant. Access my free checklist. Step 1, step 2, step 3, recommended resource. Now, this is where it gets interesting with the bot, because what I want to do is I want to come down here and I want to show you something that I did with the bot. After I get down here, I've pasted in, because it says, let me know what you need next. Now I pasted in a simple improvement that's going to have high impact. But where did I get this simple improvement? I got this simple improvement from the bonus, the beginner monetization bridge, the checklist, understand how to get someone a quick win. And in this case, I used the GPT, the same GPT that, yes, I have given you the free MagnetBot AI Companion GPT. You have PLR rights to take this and modify it, use it with your clients, build something that you can sell. But what I've done is I've gone to the GPT, the free MagnetBot AI Companion GPT. I've clicked here to start. When you click here to start, it walks you through. This assistant helps you review and improve the funnel assets you created with free MagnetBot AI, so your subscriber journey becomes clearer and more effective. Together, we'll organize your funnel and apply the beginner monetization bridge so your subscribers, the free subscribers, move from free to results to revenue, or it moves to revenue for you, right? Or, you're trying to get them the result they want so you can get what you want. This has 2 modes, debug on, debug off. Check that out when you have time. But what I want to do is I want to show you what I've done here. I pasted in everything from the free Magnet AI bot. So this is the entire conversation here, everything. I just selected everything right here and copied it in and pasted it over into our companion. And then our companion is going to give us the simple improvement, high impact that we're going to bring back to the free MagnetBot AI. So I want to show you here how that works. Again, I pasted everything, free MagnetBot AI, welcome Gary, right? This is the humangrants.pdf where I uploaded the PDF. I just pasted everything into the free MagnetBot AI companion because I want AI, in this case, ChatGPT. This is a custom GPT program to be a companion to the free MagnetBot AI, based on the bonus that I'm giving you about the monetization bridge. And you can see here, it says, great, thanks for pasting the funnel assets. This is exactly the kind of material I can help you refine. That is what the free MagnetBot AI Companion is doing. It is building you or helping you with the beginner monetization bridge to make sure that everything flows from free to results to revenue. What you currently have, what your subscriber expects after opt-in, applying the beginner monetization bridge, free to results to revenue, the biggest funnel gap. And then here it is, number 5. You'll see here, number 5, single improvement with a high impact. Start your grant detective worksheet today. Improve the download page transition. And then it explains how it's going to improve that. And it also has an improved email sequence once we provided this information right here, steps number 5 and steps number 6, for how to make the simple improvements. So again, I just copy that. I go back to the free AI bot. I'm using them together, right? The free MagnetBot AI is giving me the base. It's giving me the code for the squeeze page, for the download page, and getting me started by looking at my PLR. And the free MagnetBot AI is trained to build those assets specifically based on the context or the content that I've given it and set the context, or the context is preset by Kevin Fahey. So I pasted that in, and then you're going to see right here, this is a brilliant strategic move, Gary. Adding the momentum win section transforms the download page from a simple delivery point into a coaching experience, which builds massive trust before they even see the offer. Here's your updated download HTML page. So here I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to paste that in here. Now you can see the download page. Success, your free download is ready. You've taken the first step towards mastering the art of human grant. Click below to access your PDF report. And then it says down here, after you access your report, let's start your grant detective sheet today. Let's actually use your checklist. Open a spreadsheet right now and create these 5 columns. It set a goal. Research just 3 potential founders today. Important reality about grant funding and what you need to know, what you need to continue. Now, are you ready to scale your funding? Because we got them a quick win, and here, right, we can then link them to the masterclass because we gave them this quick win with our checklist, and now they're ready to move forward. They trust us. We've helped them win. We showed them that we can actually help them. Now they're more likely to take our recommended choice down here. And if not, we're going to follow up with additional emails. And then the AI bot is going to go ahead and give you all that information because it's going to create a new download page. Then it's going to adjust the report as needed. And also it's going to ask you a question like, how many sales conversions would you like to aim for? This helps me determine how aggressively to weave the masterclass offer into the final pages of the report, as well as, right, the email follow-up sequence, because the whole point of this, using the free MagnetBot AI companion, is to understand that you're getting free leads, you're moving them to a result, and that's going to turn that into revenue for you when they take your suggestion now that you've actually helped them. So that's what I wanted to show you inside of the free MagnetBot, how it works, the sandbox that Kevin Fahey has built for us to think about using the power of the word free, but then using my bonus to think about that monetization bridge, bridging them from free to result, and then turning that into monetization or revenue for us. Because now, as you saw here, whether we niche down and come up with a very specific topic based on a demographic, a target audience that we're looking to help, as well as taking a piece of PLR that we have based around our topic or the people that we want to go find for free and bring them onto the list, and then thinking about how we can actually help them, or the companion bot is going to show us, hey, look, here's how we can add a little more trust to this download page. And it's not just about, hey, here's a checklist, good luck, right? Hey, also check out my offer. No, it's here's the checklist. While you're here, let's use the checklist, right? Boom, quick win, a result. The revenue option is below. Now that we've given them a quick win, they have access to click the link and check out the recommendation that we're giving them. So there's a lot going on here, and I wanted to make sure that I explained it very clearly so you understand exactly why I am recommending this product. I have bought it myself, and I'm going to use it. I'm going to incorporate this idea and this concept of this monetization bridge in everything that I do inside of affiliating. Also, when I present ideas like this, you can see those over in my affiliating school community if you're not already a member. All right. Thanks for checking this out, and I will talk to you later. Bye.